Morning everyone, it's Monday the 29th of March. Just going to have a quick look at some of the trades that I've taken this morning. We're going to look first off at the pound dollar. This has set up a snatch setup for me. First thing I want to mention are the trade levels. So we've got everything in this area here is the previous 4 hours trading. So everything from there, as we can see from the chart, it's all live action. So I've got my 2 yellow lines there is the long trigger and the short trigger. These were taken from the open and the close of the previous 4 hour completed bar. So what happened, first of all, we had a pullback set up at the blue line there. I looked previously at the past 4 hour data, and it had set up a bias change down here. So it had a low and a higher high. There's a previous swing low there. So that's typically classed as an alternate bias change via the teaching from Phil. If we wanted to look for a full bias change, it was in the same area. So the low, lower high, higher low, and higher swing high. So that was a full bias change anyway. I chose to go for the alternate bias change on the breach of a previous swing high, which is that area there, the one that looks like a smiley face, now drawing a circle around it. So we had I had the entry, which was there, which was 149.50, which was the entry for me, rounded up, including the spread. So I had the first 3 intraday targets here. 15 points for me is my intraday target. We can see from the live data that they've quickly gone up and hit all 3 targets for me, which is great at start for a Monday morning. My first swing target was just above this at 150, so that was there, roughly around there, just eyeballing it. So it's hit the first swing target now as well. So I've got 2 positions remaining on the swing trade, and the stop I have managed to break even. So we're gonna see what carries on for the rest of the morning with that trade. I'm fairly happy with that, and I'm fairly confident with the way that's going. So if it sort of stops out, the stop was it was quite a tight stop, which was nice. It was a 20-point stop, so 50% of that is 10 points. So I've made 90. I've made probably 120 points for the potential now of losing 20 points. So I'm fairly happy with the way that trade's running. So I can rest easily now with that trade.